has a serrate right at top. You can barely see. It's kind of like corkscrewed or screwed like a screw. Almost looks like he done some of these by hands. These are real thin lip serrates. Nice. Here's some deeper serrates. Here's a nice spool. Yeah, nicely serrated. This is a fantastic CL LOK. You get a fucking thumbs up from this picker. And if you guys have enjoyed this pick, make sure you hit the like button for me, please. It's important. I don't know why yet, but it's important. Make sure you leave a comment. Any questions, feel free. Want to start a topic, a chat. I'd just love to write a novel of a response, so feel free to do that as well.